Hello my friends, welcome back to English Diary Podcast. Today we will move slowly through a calm and simple daily routine story that you can follow in your own soft and steady rhythm. The journey begins with easy lines, and then, little by little, the sentences become warmer, richer, and more natural. Just sit comfortably, breathe gently, and let your voice flow with mine. I begin my morning quietly as my eyes open to the soft light filling the room. The alarm rings, and I turn it off with a calm hand. Everything around me feels peaceful and still. I stretch lightly, sit up slowly, and place my feet on the cool floor. I take a long, deep breath as I walk toward the bathroom. When the light comes on, I see my sleepy face in the mirror. I give myself a small smile to start the day with a gentle thought. I wash my face with cool, refreshing water, brush my teeth, and feel the mint slowly waking me up. I wash my hands, dry my skin, and comb my hair neatly. Then I step into a warm shower. The water relaxes my shoulders and washes away the last traces of sleep. After the shower, I wrap myself in a soft towel, put on clean clothes, and feel the beginning of a fresh new day. I walk to the kitchen where the lights softly brighten the room. I pour a glass of water and drink it slowly. I prepare a simple breakfast, maybe a little toast, a warm drink, or a piece of fruit. I sit down quietly and enjoy the gentle flavors. I check my phone for a moment, read a short message, and look at the weather. When breakfast is done, I clean the table and place everything back where it belongs. I pack my bag, check my keys, my phone, my wallet, and put on my shoes. When I step outside, the morning air feels cool and soothing. Birds are singing, neighbors pass by, and I walk calmly toward the bus stop. I wait for the bus with a relaxed mind. When it arrives, I step inside and find a seat near the window. As the bus moves forward, I watch the city slowly rise into a new day. People walk with purpose, children laugh, shops open one after another, and everything feels gentle and alive. I listen to calm music and think quietly about the day ahead. When my stop comes closer, I stand up slowly and prepare to get off. I walk toward the office building, feeling the warmth of the sun touching the morning air. I greet the people I meet along the way, step inside, and reach my desk. My computer lights up as I begin my work. I check my messages, reply to the important ones, and make a small plan for the day. I type carefully and stay focused on my tasks. A short meeting begins, and we discuss our projects, share ideas, and set our next steps. When the meeting ends, I return to my desk and continue working with a steady, calm mind. Time passes softly as I complete each task one by one. When I feel a little tired, I stand up, stretch gently, and walk around the office for a moment. Soon it is lunchtime. I walk to the cafeteria and choose something simple and warm to eat. I sit with friends, talk about the morning, share a few light moments, and enjoy the meal. After eating, I clean my table and step outside for a short walk. The air feels fresh, the sky looks bright, and I walk slowly for a few minutes to relax my mind before returning to work. The afternoon passes quietly. I finish my emails, organize my desk, and complete the last parts of my work. When everything is done, I say goodbye to my coworkers and leave the office with a peaceful feeling. Outside, the day begins to fade. Soft shades of orange and pink color the sky as I walk back to the bus stop. I take a seat inside the bus and listen to gentle music. I think about the day, what I finished, what I learned, and what I want to do next. I get off near my home and walk through the gate. Inside, the house feels warm and safe. I remove my shoes and rest for a moment. I drink some water and begin preparing dinner. I cut vegetables slowly, cook something simple, and let the soft aroma fill the kitchen. I set the table, eat quietly, and enjoy each warm bite. After dinner, I wash the dishes, clean the counter, and sit on the sofa to relax. I watch a short video, repeat a few English lines softly, and let my thoughts unwind. When night arrives, I take a warm shower again. The water relaxes my muscles and calms my mind. I change into comfortable clothes, brush my teeth, and sit on my bed with a small book. I read a few pages and learn something gentle and new. Then I turn off the light beside me, close my eyes slowly, and feel the quiet night surrounding me. I take a deep, peaceful breath and feel grateful for the day. My mind softens, my body relaxes, and I drift into sleep softly. This was your smooth and slow daily routine shadowing practice. Come back whenever you want to relax, repeat, and grow your English step by step. I'm Sam, and this is English Diary Podcast. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.